Today in history, 25th September 1974, hopeful and sunny, Los Angeles, United States. Dear Diary, today was such an exciting day. In America, I went to see Dr. Frank Jobe perform a special surgery on a baseball player called Tommy John. It's an operation that fixes the elbow when it's hurt, and it's now known as the Tommy John surgery. Tommy John hurt his elbow, which is super important for playing baseball. Dr. Jobe is a really smart doctor who thought of a new way to help Tommy John get better. This surgery is a big deal in the world of baseball. Dr. Jobe is a famous doctor who helps sports players when they get hurt. He wanted to find a way to fix Tommy John's elbow, so he came up with this special surgery. I think he must be very clever to think of this. During the surgery, Dr. Jobe replaced a part of Tommy John's elbow with another part of his body. It's like fixing a broken toy by using new parts. I didn't see the surgery, but I heard it was very tricky and took a long time. After the surgery, Tommy John had to rest and do exercises to make his elbow strong again. It must have been hard for him to be patient and wait for his elbow to get better. Everyone was cheering for him to recover quickly. Tommy John didn't give up and worked really hard to get back to playing baseball. He showed us that if you don't give up, you can do amazing things. I'm so happy that he didn't have to stop playing his favorite game. The surgery that Dr. Jobe did on Tommy John is now helping lots of other athletes too. It's an important event because it shows that even when things seem tough, there are smart and caring people who can help us get better. I think this surgery will be remembered for a long time.